So in this video, I want to share with you a little bit about prebiotics and what they are and how they help your gut, and just get a little more in depth to help you understand, your gut microbiome and what you can do to really help restore your health. So we have these trillions of bacteria that live in our gut, and what they really love and the thing that they really need in a well-balanced diet is fiber. Prebiotic fiber is just nutritional fiber and lots of flavonoids, colors, and the part of the fiber is what our body doesn't break down from the fruits and vegetables and seeds and legumes and nuts that we eat. So it's important to chew your food really well so that your body can absorb as much good nutrition from it. And it's also really important to get a high fiber diet. So that's what's really lacking in many of our diets, is that the fiber. Those are the prebiotics. And that's why sometimes I recommend a product booster to some of my clients, because they just need that boost. Maybe it's their immune system that's lacking, or the enzymes in their body as we get older, or maybe some chemicals are just out of whack. But I promise you, remember that you can get feeling better and improve once you really start, building that good gut flora, getting some of the nutritionals you need. Now, why does it seem so much better when you start eating good? And it's just because you feel better. You don't feel that tiredness. Your your body is detoxing well. You're helping your liver and your kidneys, like we talked about in the other module, and you're working on your overall health. So fruits, these polyphenols, these naturally occurring nutrients in the food support our gut. There are probiotic foods you can take as well, like sauerkraut. Kombucha is a drink with some fermented benefits in it. Kimchi is a kind of a spicy seasoning that you can use, that's kind of a Korean dish with cabbage, peppered cabbage that's fermented, and you just kind of eat it on a side dish. It's kind of like a ketchup or a seasoning, really. You just use it to kind of boost your immune. I really like it. It's something that I've learned to enjoy. Um, so a lot of individuals in different countries get a lot more fiber and good nutrition than we do. We need to really, even most sauerkrauts aren't, a real fermented food. They might be canned. And if you open up a can of sauerkraut, I know it has some great benefits because it's made out of cabbage, but it doesn't really have the probiotics that you need. So you're looking for things that can really be home cooked, home prepared, lots of naturally occurring foods. So the prebiotics are the things that really help the probiotics grow in your microbiome, in your gut. So I hope that makes sense. It's a little confusing. So I was eating a lot of good food, um, adding greens to my protein drink, just doing a multitude of things. So why is it that we have this myth or this belief that when we're taking something that looks green in a powder and you mix it in, and or that take a probiotic, that they're all created equal? They're just not. I used to believe back in the day when I was in school that a chemical vitamin was just the same as a natural one, that you could create it chemically and your body could use it to grow. That, it didn't matter what kind of plants we got. A carrot's a carrot. Now, as we're studying and as research is really moving forward, we're noticing that there are really a lot of differences in the way that our foods are made and grown and prepared. So it is with probiotics and prebiotics. First of all, it's really important that they're live, that they have enzymes. These things are very affected by light and heat, and the way that they're packaged is very important. When we take things into our body, they needs to, if we want it to, for instance, a probiotic, if we want it to do well in our gut, then we have to get it down through the stomach acids, and so that it can really multiply and flourish and grow in our gut in a way that will be improving our health. I took vitamins, and as you know, I was taking probiotics for years that were $39 per month. They were recommended by a doctor. They had a lot of, cultures in them, a nice variety, but they weren't working well. And I think one of the key reasons, and the one that I want to really express here, is that one of the reasons that they weren't doing well is because of the bacteria overgrowth in my gut and in some of my clients' guts too. They have brain problems, they have allergy problems, their whole immune system is really whacked out because they have this candida and this yeast overgrowth in their body. In the Vitality Pack, along with the omega oils, there is 120 milligram of essential oils that help repair a tired digestive tract. And many of them get rid of this bad bacteria that we were talking about. The clove bud is a powerful antioxidant and essential oil that helps cardiovascular strength when taken internally. Frankincense resin supports healthy cellular and immune nervous system and your whole digestive tract function. So all of that skin there where that is being released, it helps boost an immune. So it's not just good to put on the top of your skin, it's really good to use internally. That's why it's so important to have certified pure therapeutic grade oils that are tested, that are put in these vitamins. So it supports your immune system. Cumin seed, these are all in the Lifelong Vitality essential oils. These are essential anti-inflammatory properties in that cumin seed. Wild orange improves your mood, has very cleansing powers as citrus oils do. And then the peppermint plant, which is so wide in the benefits of pain reducing, inflammation reducing, cleansing and restoring. Ginger root, which we know how powerful that is for your gut to help calm and soothe, and lots of properties to boost your immune system as well. Caraway seed really helps digestive problems, including heartburn, bloating, appetite, muscle spasms, and stomach and intestinal problems. So that's some really great benefit, as well as helping kill off the bacteria in the body. So, and German chamomile, which is really helpful in restoring balance to your health. And these are just a few of the benefits that come when you're using a good product that will really help your body accept the good fiber and bacteria that helps restore the gut. So in my next video, I'll be talking more specifically about probiotics and how important they are in helping you restore your gut and get your better physical balance back into your immune system as well as your brain. So we'll see you next time.